Hi, I'm Mary Stiglic with US Assure. Today we're going to talk about commercial new construction up to $75 million. But before we get into the product, let's talk about US Assure. We are the exclusive program administrator for the Zurich Builder's Risk Plan, and we have been for over 40 years, so we know a little bit about builder's risk. Now, what is builder's risk? Builder's risk is a policy that insures structures under construction. It's a standalone property policy that insures the materials, the fixtures, the equipment, anything going into the structure. That's what builder's risk would cover. Now, when it comes to commercial builder's risk, our appetite, we can take a look at a wide range of structures. Courthouses, apartment buildings, cell towers, water treatment plants, hotels. We can do it all. And you can even think outside the box. It doesn't have to be just the bricks and sticks. We insure grain elevators. We have insured theme parks. That lovely picture there, a water park. Look at that, construction of a stadium. If you live in an area where there's stadiums being updated, give us a call. Now, when it comes to the large program, it is a little different than our small product, which you can also put commercial on the small product up to $10 million. But if you do that, if you put a commercial structure up to $10 million on the small form, you have to take out 12 months of coverage. If you need more time, you renew it for another 12 months and you can cancel commercial. Well, if you just need a term policy, say maybe 16 months, well, we can do that on the large form. We can give you 6 months all the way up to 36 months. We can also provide short-term extension. So maybe I have a 16-month policy, but there's bad weather and I need 2 more months. Well, we can do that on this large form. Also, no co-insurance. So no co-insurance on our large form, but if you happen to put commercial on our small form, we do allow you to waive co-insurance. Now, with rate indications, we allow you to get a rate indication. $30 million project lands in your lap, your customer probably hasn't won the job. They need something for their bid. So pick up the phone, talk to an underwriter, or go online and get a non-binding indication. I need to stress that one more time. Non-binding indication. If you need something firm, you have to send us full applications. So you can go online at usassure.com and fill out that application. We'll even take an accord form or maybe even a competitor form. Now, we might have to ask a few more questions if we have a competitor form or an accord form, but we can still take a look at that. Let's take a look at the sublimits that are automatically built into our coverage form. And you can see the difference between our large form, 40660, and our small coverage form, 40471. For instance, debris removal. Well, on the small form, it starts at $50,000. Well, heck, on our large form, we're going to give you $250,000. And heck, you can still increase all of these sublimits to meet the needs of your clients. Now let's jump into optional coverages. Soft cost. You might need soft cost, and a good place to find out if you need it is checking the construction agreement. There's always a construction agreement between the owner and the contractor, or the owner or the developer, so get your hands on that. Soft costs are items your customer most likely paid for prior to construction. Things like insurance premiums, license fees, permit fees. If a covered cause of loss were to occur, they might have to pay those again. Flood and quake. We can provide flood and quake by endorsement in many, many situations, so just talk to your underwriter on that. Interest of subcontractors. Well, we certainly can provide coverage for their materials while they're on the job site. Rain, snow, ice, or sleet. For your commercial structures, it's a good idea to add this endorsement. What it does is it takes away the verbiage in the coverage form saying that it needs to be totally enclosed. Permission to occupy. Now, this is a little different on the large form. It is only 60 days, but you can ask for more than 60 days. On our small form for commercial, it's 90 days. Hot testing. Well, this is for a manufacturing risk typically. It is items that you have to put a fuel source in to be tested. So you need hot testing. Our time elements such as business income and loss of rents. Well, this is commercial, but commercial in the owner's name. So Mary Stiglic's Pet Store. My grand opening is going to be May 1st. Well, we have a claim today. Maybe I can't open my doors May 1st. Well, am I missing out on income? Heck yeah, so make sure you cover that. I want you to register. Go to usassure.com, click the orange button, and become one of our agents. It only takes 5 or 10 minutes to get a username and password to start doing business with us. So check us out, usassure.com. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 800-800-3907. Hey, check out our resource tab. We have so many resources out there, too many for me to even count. All right, enough talk. Go find yourself some builder's risk, and we'll talk soon.